Just a quick question was about how do we prepare a posterior tooth. Now, the preparation of posterior teeth, if I'm looking at the tooth occlusally, now on the side where we have the saddle area or the pontic, we prepare crossing the contact area and slightly labially until the metal doesn't show. يعني before the aesthetic angle. You remember the aesthetic angle I told you about, which is the mesobuccal usually. Okay, just before it we end. On the lingual side we prepare. You could avoid the opening the contact. We could avoid it. Okay. Then we place a groove here and place a groove here, and it's on the lingual surface. Some people recommend that you cover also the cusp. It becomes like a 3/4 crown, but it's not. It depends on how much retention you have and how much natural tooth. Okay. Some people recommend groove. When you place a groove, it will be like a rest side. Okay. This is the conventional way of doing this. The other way is inlay retained. The inlay could be a class 2 only, with a fiber between them, and the build up in the lab they build it up. Okay, we're using composite usually. You could do it with ceramic, and the inlay, by the way, could go over the surface, no problem. It could go over the occlusal surface. It could extend here. It depends on, but we should have a bulk of a box. We should have the connection between the pontic and the tooth bulky. How do we create that? We know that the inlay, the box should be flared to the outside. So we have enough bulk and depth in here. So these that create the connection with the pontic. So this can be done by fiber, and we build it up indirectly in the lab by composite, or it could be cast ceramic. So the ceramic bulk, when they cast it on the CAD-CAM, this comes as a whole piece. The pontic with the connectors, and they are ready to bind as inlays. These are the posterior preparations we have. Do we need pins? No, we have enough retention and we have enough surface area. So the grooves are essential. But placing pins depends. If one of the cusps, for example, is missing, it's now different. So what we bond in resin bonded bridges is we bonding to enamel. So keep your preparations in enamel. That's why I told you from the beginning, they look like a window veneer. So we maintain that most of our bonded surface is to natural enamel, sand enamel. Okay? Thank you.